CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.8. Given a scenario, perform appropriate printer maintenance. Thermal printer. Thermal printers combine simplicity and efficiency when creating tangible copies of digital information. Have you ever been handed a receipt at the store? Chances are it was produced by a thermal printer. Unlike the traditional inkjet or laser printers you're familiar with, thermal printers have a unique trick up their sleeve. They use heat, not ink or toner, to bring images to life on specially coated paper. This cutting-edge method isn't just a novelty, it boasts a host of benefits, including straightforward operation, fast printing speeds, and unparalleled durability. A typical thermal printer comprises several key components working in harmony. First, we have the feed assembly, responsible for pulling the thermal paper through the printer. This component ensures a smooth and consistent printing process. Next, we have the true star of the show, the heating element. This component is the fiery core of the operation. It generates heat with pinpoint accuracy, activating specific areas of the thermal paper with a delicate touch. And what about the thermal paper itself? It's no ordinary paper. This paper is coated with a special chemical layer that tingles with excitement at the mere whisper of heat. As the heating element activates, the heat-sensitive paper reacts, bringing forth crisp characters and images. Now, with heat being the catalyst, let's take a closer look at heat sensitivity in thermal printing. The sensitivity of the paper to heat plays a pivotal role in achieving optimal print quality. Papers with varying levels of sensitivity react differently to the heat generated by the printer's heating element. Adjusting the temperature of the heating element is essential to strike the right balance. Manufacturers often provide guidelines for configuring the temperature to ensure a clear and crisp printout without compromising the integrity of the paper. Higher sensitivity papers require less heat to produce vivid images, but they may be more susceptible to fading over time. Moreover, proper storage conditions are paramount to maintain the sensitivity of thermal paper. Exposure to excessive heat or humidity can degrade the paper's performance over time. Therefore, it's important to store thermal paper in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to preserve its quality and ensure consistent printing results. Lastly, let's talk maintenance. Performing regular maintenance on a thermal printer helps in avoiding common issues and ensures consistent performance. This includes the timely replacement of depleted paper rolls to prevent printing interruptions and ensure seamless operation. When the paper rolls run low, replacing them promptly is essential to maintain workflow efficiency and avoid any downtime in printing tasks. Next, it's important to clean the heating element. Periodically cleaning the heating element is essential for removing any accumulated residue buildup. Over time, debris and residue from the printing process can accumulate on the heating element, potentially impairing print quality and even causing overheating issues. Regular cleaning ensures that the heating element operates at optimal efficiency, maintaining consistent print quality and preventing any potential overheating-related malfunctions. Furthermore, removing debris from the printer mechanism reduces the risk of jams and other mechanical malfunctions, thus prolonging the printer's lifespan. By adhering to these maintenance tasks, users can ensure that their thermal printers continue to operate smoothly and reliably. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.